Apple has officially taken the wraps off its Apple Watch Ultra 3, the third generation of its ultra-premium, rugged smartwatch line. With each iteration, the Ultra series has pushed the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do for outdoor athletes, extreme adventurers, and tech enthusiasts. Now, in 2025, Apple is doubling down with a device that's not just better, it's a category-defining leap in performance, display, sensors, and endurance. If you thought the Ultra 2 was a beast, prepare to be amazed. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 packs a punch with new health tracking tools, more precise GPS, cutting-edge materials, longer battery life, and deep integration with Apple Intelligence, AI-powered features introduced with iOS 19 and watchOS 11. While the design language stays true to the Ultra DNA, subtle yet significant refinements make the Ultra 3 stand out. Titanium 2.0 frame. Apple has updated the aerospace-grade titanium with a new composite blend that is lighter but stronger, giving users improved comfort during intense activity. Micro-edge bezel. The screen now stretches even closer to the edges, giving a larger visual field without increasing the size. New color options. Beyond the classic titanium gray, Apple introduces obsidian black and alpine blue, durable coatings designed to withstand the harshest climates. These changes are not just aesthetic, they're functional enhancements aimed at outdoor explorers, triathletes, and divers. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 boasts a micro-LED display, marking the first time this display tech appears in any Apple product. Up to 4,000 nits brightness, even under direct sunlight on snow or sea, the Ultra 3 stays crystal clear. Night Vision 2.0. A new red-on-black interface auto-activates in low light, ideal for night hikers, divers, or military use. This screen isn't just for glances, it's built to be readable in sandstorms, underwater, or on snowy peaks. Under the hood, the Ultra 3 is fueled by the all-new S10 Pro chip, which delivers 2x faster app loading. On-device Siri with AI capabilities. AI-based health insights. Ultra-low power mode. The S10 Pro makes the Ultra 3 feel snappier and more intelligent, with AI detecting stress, fatigue, and even microsymptoms of illness before you notice. Apple's new neural